added my old black dupatta. It is not the part of the outfit. Second thing is the big chunky earrings. I love them. So it changes the overall look. And a simple bun. It looks quite beautiful when you're wearing an Indian cloth. Bun makes a difference. And apart from that, I've also added a small bindi, which I did it from kajal. So yes, it also makes your outfit stand out. So yeah, this is the first look. Now I know everyone's favorite is the pleated skirt nowadays. So I have added my antique neck piece that I got from Goa, and to make this outfit more stand out, I have added my old denim jacket. I love it, like I wear it often. And what can be better than a white sneaker to complete the look? Now this is my favorite look so far. I love wearing denim with simple t-shirt and my white sneaker. To give it a Indo-Western look, I added a small nut or a nose pin, you can say, and it's really beautiful. I've got a couple of collection of them. I'll show in my next video. So yeah, I wanted to have a new look with my denim. So this is my third look so far. So yeah guys, simple things in an outfit can change the overall look, and you must try something new or try to add on something so that you can make your outfit stand out. I hope you like the video. Keep watching and stay happy.